Hello everyone. So in this video we will understand all about Jwero sheets. Now there are four different sections regarding this video. One is how can you upload products to Jwero sheet via import method. Second is how can you upload products using the copy paste method. Third, we will understand how can you export products directly from your Jwero in the Excel format. And fourth will be how can you bulk edit a products using the export sheet method or directly in Jwero. So let's first understand how you can bulk upload products to Jwero sheet via import method. So as soon as you go into your Jwero dashboard, here in products, you will see the options such as import. You can click on import and here you will get an option for sample CSV template. You can download the sample CSV template system which will be in your Excel format, and then you can open that Excel sheet which will look something like this, wherein all of the formatting in terms of your SKU, your whichever column or whichever fields is important will be visible in your sheet. Now, normally what happens that each and every column, if you use directly Jwero sheets, all of these certain columns are already pre-filled. However, when you use this pre-formatted Excel sheet, you will have to add those columns or fill those fields manually. Okay, so for example, now I have opened the sample sheet which I have downloaded directly from Jwero, and once I download it, I'll let's say I'll add my data over here. Now let's say my first SKU of the product is, let's say, Jwero 001, and here I can add the barcode. Here I can add the slug for the product. Here let's say I'll add the necklace title. I'm adding one by one, but obviously you can add in bulk also. So here in status, I will add as publish because I want to publish this product. If you go to Jwero sheet, you can always refer this sheet in order to add any values. Here, if you click on columns, click select all of the columns will be visible here. Now, if you want to understand what value I have to add for stock status, you can always hover on the status and see which drop down options are available. So here publish option is also available and draft is also available. So like that you can add your status accordingly. So you can always refer to Jwero sheet in order to add your values regularly. So I'll hit publish here. Then I'll add the product description. Let's say I'll add sample description. I'll add stock status. Again, what should I add in stock status? I can refer back to stock status. Here in the stock status drop down, there are three options. One is in stock, second is make to order, and third is out of stock. Now I want to add it as in stock. So I'll quickly come here and I'll add in stock. So this way I can add such details by always referring to Jwero sheet because this formatting is directly related to Jwero sheet formatting. Okay. Now I'll add the quantity. I'll add collection as, let's say this is a gold jewelry. Again, if you want to refer the values, you can always come back and refer the exact spelling and exact formatting from here. Okay. Now here I'll add, let's say this is a necklace. Also, just a reminder that if you want to create any new category, collection, or subcategories, please ensure to create it prior to using the sheets. First, create it manually in the Jwero dashboard, and then it will be automatically enabled for you in the Jwero sheets as well. So, if any subcategory is available, you can add subcategory. I'll add the with chain setting size. Again, you want to refer what value should I be adding. You can always come back, check out the column for settings and size, check the drop down, whichever value suits this product the best. You can add those, right? Then featured, if you want to feature this product on your website, then you can write simply yes or no. I'll write yes for now. If back orders are allowed for this product, you can write yes or no, simple. If you want to show that this product is sold individually, then you can write yes or no. Again, these certain fields in here are not mandatory. Like you can only add certain details. You're not bound to add all of the details. You can, if you want to understand which values are important, specifically in Jwero sheets, you can understand that okay, whichever columns has this asterisk mark means these columns are mandatory. And in all regards, you have to add collections, category, and if it is a gold product, then obviously you need to add a gold metal type and a weight for that regards, right? So that is mandatory. Rest other details you can opt to not add, right? Then here you can add the HUID, 6 digit HUID. Here in minimum shipping days, let's say I'll add 8. Maximum shipping days, I'll add 10. Metal type, again, what should I add in metal type? What formatting do we have? You can always refer this. So once or twice when you refer this, you will understand what values is regularly used in Jwero, and accordingly, in future, whenever you keep adding the data, you'll understand that which value type I have to use. So here for metal type, I have gold, silver, platinum. So I'll simply select gold. In metal color, again, I'll refer this. I want to go for, because this product is yellow, I'll go for yellow here, right? In gold purity, again, here the formatting is 22 KT 916 for gold purity. So here I'll add 22 KT 916. Again, I'll add the gold gross weight for here. I'll add the net weight here, right? In case if it was a silver product, I would have added, rather, I would have added the silver value, or in case if it was a platinum product, I would have added the platinum values, right? So it depends what type of product you are uploading, right? Now, if it's a diamond type of product, then obviously you need to ensure if it's a diamond product, then you have to select a diamond jewelry over here. Only then the diamond value, diamond details can be added in Jwero, right? So I'll do just comma. I'll add as diamond jewelry, right? So you can select which option it belongs to correctly. Right now I'm choosing for both the option, and you can always assign more than one collection, category or subcategory to a product if it's required. Okay. So here in diamond, now again for this I would definitely recommend always checking out what values is present over here. Example, I'll show you this. In collection, let's say I will select diamond jewelry, and in diamond jewelry once selected, as soon as I select diamond jewelry, all the diamond columns are enabled. So here diamond from master or customize, this indicates you that whatever diamond calculation is to be done is it is to be done using the master combination that you have set. So I'll select master from here, and I'll go come here for master. Again diamond weight. So here obviously in case, just a second. So here in diamond weight, obviously, let's say, imagine this, if a necklace has, let's say, 4 pieces of diamond, then obviously you have to add 4 pieces of diamond here. Now what I'll add is, let's say for the first diamond, the value is 0.009. Just a moment. I'll add 0.009. For second diamond, the weight is, let's say, 0.0025. And for the third diamond, the weight is, let's say, 0.0 or let's say 0.01. So let's say 3 diamonds are there, and by adding the comma, by in the proper order, I have added the weight for all the 3 diamonds. Now in the same order, I need to add the pieces. That okay, for the first diamond there are 1 pieces, for the second diamond there are 2 pieces, and for the third diamond there are again 1 pieces only. So in the same format and in the same order, I've added the diamond pieces as well. In type, again, if you want to refer, you can always come back here. In type, you have to select if it is a natural diamond or a lab grown diamond. Come back and here add just natural. Okay. In quality, again, you can always come back to Jwero. Here in quality, all of the qualities are visible for which you have set the combinations, right? Let's say I go with the BSE. Okay. I'll go with BSE. Now here, this VSE, if you only add one quality here, that means for all 3 diamonds, only one diamond quality, I mean same diamond quality will be applied. But in case if all 3 diamonds are of different quality, then obviously you need to add the different diamond qualities in the same order. So let's say one is VSE, second is VSH, and third is VSI. So in the same order for weight, pieces, and diamond, weight, pieces, you have to add the quality, and same goes for the shape as well. So I'll add as round, second would be Marcus, and third would be Princess. Again, you need to make sure if you have selected master from here, then please set up the master combination in your Jwero settings. If you want to watch the video, you can always go back to the help center and watch the video for how to set up the diamond combinations, right? Once that is done, you can now add the diamond cut. Now only if you have added the diamond cut in your combinations, you have to add it over here as well. Now let's say for diamond cut, again, what should I add? I can always refer this. Here you have all of the option: excellent, good, poor, fair. I'll come here again. I'll add as fair, excellent, second one, and again for the third one it's fair, right? So this way I have added all of the diamond I have added all of the diamond details here. Now you may be wondering that where is the sieve size to be added. You don't have to add the sieve size, because in Jwero settings you have already set up your sieve sizes. In case you haven't set up, you can always set up the sieve sizes grouping in your settings, and for the same sizes you can set up the pricing. Only then you should be selecting master from here, and based on the weight and the number of pieces of the diamond, it is automatically calculated, right? Now what if in case you had selected customize over here, then obviously you had to add the custom diamond rate. Now I'll just copy this data. Let's say I'll go for custom diamond, and I'll choose the same diamonds detail. I'll add it here. And for this particular diamond detail, I'll have to add the diamond rate. Now diamond rate, I can add one common for all, or I can add different for all three different diamonds. So I'll add as, let's say, 10,000 for the first one, 20,000 for the second one, and 12,000 for the third one. So this way, automatically for each diamond, a custom diamond rate value will be applied, right? Now next is diamond certification. In case it is diamond certified, you can add the certification value. Again, the codes, you can please refer the codes from here, right? Once you enable this diamond certified, the code will be visible if it's GIA or IGI. Okay, add the codes here. I'll add the code for here. Lab, right? Just a second. Here you will add as yes, right? Then if you have the certificate ID available, then we always recommend adding this. In case you don't have it, you can always you don't need to add it. Now again, same goes for gemstone as well. If you want to add, if you want the system to calculate the gemstone pricing based on the weight and the pieces, then you can set up the gemstone value in your Jwero settings. But in case you want to add a custom rate for your gemstone, then you can always add custom value. So I will show you example for both as well. I'll go for master here, and here I'll go for customize. So here in gemstone quality, again, what quality you have to add, you can always select from here. Let's say I'll come here, gemstone quality. Here all of the qualities are available: precious, kundan, uncut. I'll go for precious here. Again, the formatting will be same. In case there are multiple gemstones, then obviously you have to add in comma system in the same order, right? So I'll add the gemstone shape as round. In case you want to refer the shapes as well, how the spellings and all that is there, formatting is there, you can always come back and refer the sheet. I'll add as round. Here in type, again I'll refer this. The type will be sapphire. Let's say I'll go for sapphire. Again, please note, I am adding all of this value, and if I have selected master, then system will calculate based on the combination that you have set. In case you haven't set any combination, then obviously you'll have to set up the combination in the dashboard first, right? Now once that is done, gemstone size you have to add. Now let's say this size, if you want to refer what size system is there, you can click on the drop down and all of the sizes will be visible here. I'll come here and I'll add as, let's say, 6. Number of pieces, there are 5 pieces, let's say, and for gemstone weight, let's say I'll go for 1.7 for example. Now in master, I don't need to add the custom gemstone rate, but for the customize option, I need to add the custom gemstone rate. I'll add as, let's say, 20,000, right? So once these details are added, again, I've shown you for both master as well and customize as well. So it totally depends on what type of products you are uploading. In case you feel like, so for certain products, MRP based pricing, or, fixed based pricing is to be applied, you can always go for customize option, right? In case there are chances, like, let's say you don't want to add all of this detail, like quality, shape, type, size, then you can always, opt for not adding this, but pieces and weight is mandatory. So add the pieces and weight and the custom date only in case you want to go for customized option, right? Now once that is done, you need to add the labor type system. Now if to add the labor type, again always refer the sheet. Let me just. So when you opt for a master labor type, you don't need to add any such value, because based on the labor combination that you have set in the system will automatically calculate the labor value. So here all you need is you have to mention as master, and that's it. You don't need to add any labor values, because system knows for let's say for necklace what pricing you have set, and automatically system will calculate. In case of customize, then you have to mention customized pricing here. Just a second. And labor from, let's say I'll show you this customize option. Labor calculated from gross, because some jewelers calculate it from gross weight and some calculate it from net weight. So I'll go for, let's say, gross weight per gram. Let's say if you want to calculate the labor based on the per gram value, then add the per gram value. In case you calculate wastage in percentage, then just add percentage over here. Now wastage should be calculated from gross or net. Again, you can decide. Let's say I'll go for net here, right? So and minimum making percentage, again you can add, let's say, fixed 2000 rupees. So this way, in case you are adding any customized labor value, you can add it from here. In case if it is master, simply add master, and no need to add all of these values, right? You can always refer the sheet for reference, right? Now for extra charge and extra charge value, you can, obviously there is an option in Jwero settings called as additional, wherein you can set this up. In case you want to create any new values, you can add this here. Let's say for rhodium charges, we charge, let's say, 150 rupees, right? Like this you can add the extra charges value. In case, let's say, for hallmark we charge, let's say, 200 rupees or 150 rupees. This way you can add as such extra charges. Now for the product SEO, you can add the SEO title over here. Like, let's say this is a beautiful necklace 22 KT product, right? Again, you can add the description over here based on your SEO description. And then here you can add the SEO keywords. Let's say best jewelry, whatever. Since you'll be adding multiple keywords, then obviously you can add it using comma method. I'll add as, Mumbai 22 KT jewelry. So like this, I can add such keywords, right? Once that is done, I will add the product sizing, width, height, and thickness. So based on this, you can add this in mm, right? I'll add it as 216, right? Now here, in case you want to tag this product, such as, let's say this product is Valentine collection, or let's say wedding collection, you can add the tags over here. Please note, in case you want to add tags over here, these tags should be pre-created in Jwero. You can watch the video on how to create tags in Help Center. So once the tags is created, only then it will be automatically loaded in the sheet. So please ensure that tags, categories, or such values is pre-created in dashboard, and then you can use it in the Jwero sheet as well, right? So I'll select tags, wedding, or let's say engagement. I can assign multiple tags here. In gender, I'll assign, let's say, female product, right? And in occasions, I'll assign, let's say, Diwali. Again, occasion should be pre-created in the dashboard, right? And now let's say, based on the value that I've added, system will automatically calculate the pricing for the entire product. However, in case even after adding the details, I want to keep the fixed pricing for this product, because this is an exclusive product or something. So I can always add the MRP pricing here, and based on whatever MRP pricing that you add, only that pricing will be considered for this product, right? So you can always add this. And in case in future you want to change this value, you can always go back to Jwero dashboard, or using the bulk edit method you can change this value as well. So I'll just change this. I'll delete this for now. Now in upsell cross sell, what you can do is you can add the SKUs of the product which you want to upsell. Any upsell product will be visible. Let's say, I'll show you an example how the upsell products is shown. So let's say customers are viewing this product and you want to show products which can be which are related to this product, right? So this product SKU, the product which are shown such as related products, you can add the SKUs of this product in upsell. So let's say I add Jwero 001. I can add all of the SKU which I feel should be added, should be shown there. And for the cross sell, whatever SKUs, let's say I'll add the same SKU here as well. Whichever SKUs that you have added will be shown in the checkout page for the customer to help you promote the products to the customer during the checkout process and during the product viewing process as well, right? So these are the details. Again, now it's time for adding the images and video URL. So for this, there is another video wherein how can you upload bulk images using the bulk image feature in Jwero. You can add with that method. In case you have already uploaded the image in the Jwero media library, for example, in Jwero products, there is a media library. From here, if you have already uploaded the videos or let's say any images, you can always click on I icon. You can copy the URL and then you can simply paste the URL here. Again, if it's a video, you can find the video. Let's say this is the video. I click on the URL, copy the URL, and here I can paste the URL. So this way, in case if the images and videos are already you have uploaded in the media library, then you can simply copy the image link and video link over here. In case if it is not uploaded, you can choose to not add this, and you can add it manually also, or you can add it using the bulk image upload process as well. So now once all of these details are added, just like this, you can add multiple such details. Now I'll just simply download this sheet in the, let's say, CSV format. You have to download it in CSV format only. I'll save this, right? Now I have to upload this, import this product in Jwero. So I'll just come back to Jwero. I'll click on import, cancel. Here I'll click on import again. I'll click on this and find my file. I'll select my file which I have just edited, and as soon as I hit import, the data that I've added in the sample sheet will be visible here. The SKU is visible, title, status, description, stock status, all of these details. In case certain details are not visible, then there must be chances that you must have added, some incorrect formatting. You have used some incorrect formatting, so which you should definitely review. And obviously there is a inbuilt error detection system available in Jwero. So in case if you do miss out on any value, system will guide you thoroughly. So here, as I've selected two collection, it is visible here: category, subcategory, settings, right? HUID. So here the gold shipping days, metal type, color, purity. Again, you can always come back and reselect here in case if it is not visible. Gross weight, net weight, right? All of this detail, diamond detail, pieces, diamond type, quality. Again, as you can see, in the same formatting it has come. Shape, custom rate in case if it was customized, diamond ID, gemstone details. All of the details is visible now. What I'll do, since I have verified all of this detail, I will read these instructions over here. Once that is done, just a second, my screen ends. Right, I'll read these details, and once I'll just verify this. If all of the details are proper, I'll hit sync over here. Now, as soon as I hit sync, it told me that okay, there is some error. So I'll just click on this diamond combination mismatch. I'll click on it. Now there must be some value that I'm missing here. Now I'll just check it out quickly. So I'll hit sync. Again, the error is diamond details required. So I'll just copy the data from here. One moment. I'll copy this and paste this here. Diamond type I'll select as natural. Right. Then once all of the detail added, I'll hit sync. Now, in case you have added the images, link for images, then obviously select yes. In case you have not added images, then select no. I'll go for yes. Once that is done, all of the data that you have added here in the sheet, let's say you have added, let's say 5,000 products, automatically all those products will start the import process. And here you will get the information that how many products are currently being imported. It might take around, 3 to 5 minutes to import all of your products. So you can always refresh this, and here you will see all of the products which are imported. In case certain products are already added in your dashboard using manual method, then the details for this product will get updated automatically, and it will be counted as product update, right? As you can see, the status is showing as pending, right? So using with that, you get the information that currently the product is being added, right? So once that is done, you have successfully added the products in the Jwero sheet, and here you the status is converted into completed as well. So this is how you can bulk upload products using the import sheet method, right? So I'll just disable this, and here I can check the details. This is the details of the product, right? So like this, you can upload up to 50,000. You can import up to 50,000 products directly from your Excel sheet in Jwero. Obviously, that product process will take time, but you have the option to add those products directly.